this is Jo from Maths Tutor Me. Today we're doing some revision questions on coordinate geometry. So if you've joined me on all my previous lessons on this topic, then this will just be a summary of everything that we have learnt. So if you're feeling pretty confident, what you can do is you can print off these sheets from my website and you can go ahead and try to do all these questions, and then you can come and watch the video to see how you went with your answers. Okay, let's go through these questions now. So question 1, find the equation linking x and y. So we have a complete table here. We want to find the equation y equals something. Now, remember that whatever the numbers across the bottom are going up by is what we're multiplying by. So these are going up by 5. So it's going to be 5x, and the number underneath the 0 is the number that we're going to have to subtract in this case, so we've got minus 3. And we can check with one of our values. Let's check with 1. 5 times 1 is 5, minus 3 does give us 2. Okay, let's move on to question 2. Complete each table and plot the graph. So first of all, we have y is equal to negative 2x. Now this is a linear graph. That's one of our linear ones from the beginning of the topic. Let's sub in our values. Negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 2 will make a positive 4. Negative 2 times negative 1 will make a positive 2. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Okay, now to plot that, negative 2, 4, negative 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, negative 2, 2, negative 4. Makes a beautiful straight line, so we can get our ruler. And there it is. Y equals minus 2x. Okay, let's look at the next one. Y equals x plus 3. So I take negative 2 plus 3 gives me 1. Negative 1 plus 3 gives me 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. Let's plot those points. Negative 2, 1. Negative 1, 2. 0, 3. 1, 4. And 2, 5. Another nice straight line, and that is y equals x plus 3. Question 3 says, at what point do the lines in question 2 intersect? So these lines crossed over here. A point of intersection we write in brackets. The x value goes first. Now this is the point. The x value straight underneath is negative 1, comma. The y value is 2. So the two graphs intersect at the point negative 1, 2. On the next page, we have some more graphs to draw. So it says complete the tables and sketch each graph on the grid. So y equals x squared plus 1, that's going to be a parabola. Let's sub in our values. Minus 2 squared is 4, plus 1 is 5. Minus 1 squared is 1, plus 1 is 2. 0 squared is 0, plus 1 is 1. 1 squared is 1, plus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4, plus 1 is 5. Let's plot the points. Minus 2, 5. Minus 1, 2. 1, 0. 1, 2. And 2, 5. So it's our normal parabola, but for this one, because we had that little plus 1 on the end, it's moved our parabola up off the origin one place. So that is y equals x squared plus 1. Okay, next graph. Y equals 1 over x. This is going to be a hyperbola. So 1 over negative 2 is negative a half. 1 over negative 1 is going to be negative 1. 1 divided by 0 is the asymptote. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 divided by 2 is a half. So we haven't got a lot of points to work with here, but we know roughly what they should look like. So if we go minus 2 minus a half is here, and minus 1 minus 1. So we've really only got a tiny bit here, and we know it's going to curve around like that. Then our asymptote, 1, 1, and 2, half. So a few more points in that table would have given us more of an idea, but we've got enough because we know what a hyperbola should look like. So that is y equals 1 over x. C, y equals x cubed minus 1. So our cubic. Minus 1 cubed is minus 1, minus another 1 makes minus 2. 0 cubed is 0, minus 1 is minus 1. 1 cubed is 1, minus 1 is 0. 2 cubed is 8, minus 1 is 7. So let's plot those. Minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, and 2, 7. So this is kind of the starting point of my cubic. It goes up like this, and I've only got a little bit on the other side, like that. Okay, so that is y equals x cubed minus 1. Okay, now question 5 says sketch the following graphs on the grid. So we're going to try and squash a few more graphs on there. So if you have some extra colour pens, that might be helpful. Question 5a, x is equal to 3. So these are the graphs that are parallel to the axes. If x equals 3, it means we go to x equals 3 on our axes, on the x-axis. Straight through the 3 is our line. X equals 3. Y equals minus 2. We go to the y-axis, we find the minus 2, and we draw a line going through the minus 2. Y equals minus 2. And our last one, x squared plus y squared equals 16. That is a circle with a radius of square root of 16, which is 4. So from the center, we go up 4, down 4, right 4, left 4. So we're going to have a circle like this. Oh. There we go. X squared plus y squared equals 16. And there it is. There's our revision going through everything that we've done this topic. Next lesson I'll have some challenge questions for you. So keep practicing and I'll catch you next time. Bye.